Alright guys, this is a mini video, a short sweet video, because I couldn't find any other video how to take off the actuator on the driver's side. So pretty much to get to it, so this is what it looks like. You're gonna have to wedge something in between here because this hangs really low and you're not gonna be able to reach the top screw. So see, here's the actuator, now that I got it out. It has a little hand that's gonna go right there. See this little piece right here? I don't know if you can see, it's like right there. This moves up and down. Let me see if I can hold. Okay. This moves up and down. So that's to switch from the front vents to what do you call it, the defrost. So this hand right here was broken. So you'll notice that you either won't get air from the front vents, or I mean, that was my problem, or I'll stop working from the defrost. And then you also get a clicking noise oftentimes, like mine was making a really bad clicking sound. So I'm going to screw it back in and show you how it goes. But the top bolt up here is going to be really difficult to get to. It's going to be an 8mm screw, by the way. I had got a swivel socket, but I ended up not even needing it to get that screw off. Once I lifted this up high enough, you could actually reach the top screw, which is again the 8mm. So let me put it on, see if this works, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's set in place. Okay, so I have it put back in. So see how it's set? There's one screw right there, and the other one that made me want to hit my head in the steering wheel is right up there. So you can barely see it right there. So there's two screws, there and there, and it just sets in with that little hand. See that hand still there? You're gonna have to line that hand back up in there. So that's it. Hopefully that helps someone else out, because I had a very hard time doing that, locating that, and then you just put all this back together. And then that's it. Update. This is a face of frustration. If you replace your driver's side actuator, or any actuator for that matter, and you still hear the clicky noise, that is because you have two actuators out. So in my case, I replaced it. I still heard the clicking. Let me just show you where the other actuator is. There's 4 in the Mustang, 3 on the passenger side, 1 on the driver's side. So in my case, so this is behind the glove box. If you push this tab in, it'll drop down. I know you can't see, but there's one down over here, and sorry for the bad angle, but the other ones are going to be one actuator right here. See it with the cord? And then the one that's clicking in my case is the one up here. See how this one's a little bit harder to get to? It's up there. So yeah, so if you still hear clicking after you replace one of your actuators, more than likely another one is out. So boom, and nothing's ever easy.